Bill.
I guess it's 110,000. It's like 130.
Guess the bill.
Oh, I also think it's 100,000.
Bill.
I guess it's 110,000. It's like
Guess the bill.
130.
Guess the bill.
Oh, I also think it's 100,000.
Guess the bill.
I guess it's 150.
Guess the bill.
I think it's 112.
112.
I think it's gonna be 120,000.
Japanese restaurant, Wagyu. A5 Wagyu. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ang daming hate dito. They're just like wealthy enough to enjoy their privilege. Ayun. Ito yung anak ni Kim Atienza. A5 Wagyu, sarap. I think they're models and they're working for their own. So, maraming nagalit dito, ewan ko kung bakit. They're just enjoying life. So, ayan. Nakahakot na maraming violent reaction itong video na to dahil masasabi nila insensitive. Diyos ko, lahat naman ng post sa Facebook na basta nag-text ka, insensitive na, lalo na sa mga nakakahirap. Sabi nila, it's one of those 1%. Pero sa akin, it's not offensive. They're just like girls, young girls, enjoying life, enjoying their privilege. Hindi nila kasalanan maging mahirap, stuff like that. So, no hate for that. I salute the grind kung nag-work naman sila. Or, generational wealth. There's no such thing as that. Masyado lang talaga matindi ang hate. Hate sa mga ganyan. So, nag-react din si ate girl at. So, sa ano niya. So, in-stitch niya yung video kasi dinito niya yung post na yun. So, ito yung video niya about it.
I find it so stupid that I even have to address this, but it's gotten to the point where I feel like I need to. One, the video was a joke. I thought it was obvious because we were laughing and the bill was at an outrageously high number, but apparently it's believable that I can pay that much for a dinner. So I want to clarify again, it was a joke. We didn't pay that. It was my friend's birthday and her agency treated us to a dinner. On top of that, even if I had paid that much, even if we did have that much money, it is our choice and our freedom to do what we want with money that we earn.
Pera
Then
nila
I see
yan
this post by Republic Asia. Kim Atienza's daughter receives flack for a video posted to TikTok. Then the last slide and the caption say, check your privilege. First of all, I've been so honest about the privileges I've been given and the privilege that I have in my life. For example, on my podcast.
Pero para sa akin, she doesn't need to explain. Nga, she has a privilege for it. Maswerte siya sa buhay. At saka nagtatrabaho naman siya, I think. And she's just like enjoying life. Hindi mo naman kailangan tumulong sa lahat ng tao. Especially hindi ka naman public servant. You're a private person. Private citizen. Why the hell you have to give them yung pera mo,
I mentioned that I'm not one to deny the privilege I've been given. And on top of that, I'm also very open about the fact that I'm a Nepo baby. I'm not ignorant, nor do I deny the privilege I've been given, and I never have been. Given that only a small portion of Filipinos fall under the 1%, these people should be redistributing their wealth to those most in need of it. I find that so insanely...
Ba't mo kailangan ano, diba? Tsaka yung mga 1% din sila Taylor Swift, may yaman. Yung mga super yaman sila Elon Musk. Binigay ba nila yung wealth nila? So, what's the point?
Hard to say. Hypothetically, if you won the lottery and you won, let's say, 1 million pesos, are you going to immediately be giving all of your 1 million pesos to everyone around you? No, you're going to pay your bills, you're going to maybe get a nice dinner, you're going to get some nice clothes, and then maybe the rest you could possibly donate to charity. You are not going to be giving each and every single bit of that million to other people.
Di ka naman obliged, di ba?
I find it so ironic that they were talking about how I need to check my privilege, the 1%, all this shit. The next slide, Nadine Lustre at a Bulgari event, praising her, saying, radiant as always, mother. If you're gonna hate on me for being rich, you need to do the same for everyone. Because guess what? Your favorite celebrities, not just in the Philippines, but worldwide. If you have a BTS profile picture, I don't want to hear you talking. If you have Taylor's version in your name, I don't want to hear you talking. Because your favorite celebrities make more, have more, and spend more than I ever have. And on top of that, I doubt any of them are redistributing their wealth, wwhether it be Nadine Lustre, BTS,
Actually, she doesn't really have to explain, pero napuno lang talaga siya. Yun nga, sabi ko, bakit mo kailangan distribute ang generational wealth na nakuha mo or wealth that you are having just to help the other people surrounding you? It's your choice, it's your life, di ba? Yung party na 130,000, meron pa nga dyan, iba mas mahal pa ginagastos eh. And sabi ko lang is, it's your own money, it's your decision, it's your fucking life. So bakit masyado lang inggit, maraming haters on like that. So, hindi ko lang mag-gets yung mga haters behind the internet bar, behind the PC. Where do they get those hate? I know people really grind. No matter what they do, they never strive. Hindi kumikita. So it comes with luck, diba? Sheer of luck. Kahit anong trabaho nila, hindi sila umaangat sa buhay. Pero ito, nakita ko gumagastos ng almost 130,000 sa pagkain. Don't blame them. Don't blame them, diba? Nagkataon talaga ibang gulong na pala sa ibang tao.
Taylor Swift, Sabrina Carpenter, Olivia Rodrigo.
Yeah,
I doubt any of them are redistributing their wealth, and they have 1,000 times more wealth than I. I said this in the comment section, but I, a singular teenage girl, am not responsible for the wealth disparity in the Philippines, contrary to current popular belief. I find it so stupid that people are picking and choosing what to be activists for. If you actually had an issue with the wealth disparity, if you actually had an issue with impoverished people, there are ways to help that are not attacking a teenage girl. Advocate for those in need, or you can also volunteer. Volunteering is free. I've done it. Talk to your local government. Do something about it, because this does nothing for advocacy. It does nothing for the advocacy that you're trying to be an activist for. It does nothing to the economy. It does nothing to our country.
Actually, hindi na siya nag-react. Pero I think, yun nga, people just hate. People just hate. They're just like haters for it.
All it does is attack a random person and bring hate to the table.
Yeah, there's too much hate. Be the person who will not spread the hate on the internet. Kasi nga, yung mga yan, malatapang lang yan sa mga profile picture under those serial name, alias, stuff like that. Pero yung ginagawa naman niya, they just enjoy for the A5 Wagyu Japanese restaurant. They're just enjoying life. Isipin mo kung nangyari mga mayayaman, hindi kumain sa mga ganyan restaurant. Paano yung mga nagtatrabaho doon? Paano yung mga cook? Paano yung mga service people? Those kind of people generate, sabihin na rin, economy, generate work. So, bakit kung kailangan mag-hate sa mga ganyan? Hindi naman nila responsibilidad or hindi naman nila kasalanan na pinanganak silang ganyan. Kumbaga, hindi naman nila ninakaw yun literally, di ba? Kaya hindi naman siya public. Official, public, di ba? But yung iba, 20 billion nga, iubos isang ilang araw, di ba? Hindi kayo nagagalit-galit. So, 130 is not that much. Not that much talaga yan. Kasi, barya na 100,000. So, yun lang. Too much hate for this kind of girl. Kawawa na sa ating girl. Pero, yan. Salute sa kanya. Nag-stand up siya. Hindi siya nagpabuli sa mga ganyan na internet troll. Kasi, kapag sa mga internet troll, talo ka talaga dyan. Yun lang. So, if you do like this kind of commentary, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat. So, ulitin, don't spread the hate.